Welcome to Puerto Plata, Dominican Republic. Soon, you're gonna be here and E&J will be waiting for you right here at the port. But before you come here, you need to know what activities are the best for you. That's why you have to follow me in this video and I will show you the best option for you. Follow me. Here we are in our first stop. This is the Loro Chocolate Factory. If you notice, this is organic. In the Dominican Republic, we are famous for a lot of things. We are famous for coffee, cigars, but when we talk about chocolate, we need to think about the DR. So follow me and I'm gonna show you why this chocolate is so important for us. So now we're gonna taste the hot chocolate and the brownie. I think this is my favorite thing of this tour. Let's see. They use cinnamon to this one, so that's why I love it. Yummy!
Here we have white chocolate, milk chocolate, dark milk chocolate, 55%, 60 and 70. 3 dark chocolate and 3 with milk chocolate. Over there, Paire's Booty. We have our chocolate with rum. We have wine, milk, dark milk, 70%, and we have the 4-pack.
So the last stop is to taste the different percent of the chocolate. But we have something here. This one right here that you can see, it has rum. So I'm not driving today, so I'm gonna take it. If you want to buy also some souvenirs, just come here when you finish the tour and you're gonna find good things for a good price. Thank you. So when I'm doing this tour, one of the things that I like to show to the people is how people really live here, you know, local people. So in this area, this is one of the richest area in Puerto Plata. You can see beautiful houses, big houses. By the way, this is where I live. No, I'm just kidding. So yeah, I'm gonna show you this area, but also I would show you low class, what we call in Spanish el barrio, or some people over there in the state call it the ghetto. So I'm gonna show you that because that's what we want to show you, not just the tourist area, right? You ready? Yes. Now we are in one of my favorite places of this city. Come here. As you can see here, we have the view of the city. And this is great because from here we can see also when your cruises come here to the city. So the port is over there, Taino Bay, and behind the mountain we have Amber Cove. We can see it from here, but it's there. So this is one of my favorite area because this area has a secret. If you see a building over there, that is jail. So look, jail has the best view of the city. Let me know if you want to book a day in jail, all right? So right here we have the Dominican flag. You need to know that in the Dominican Republic we have 31 cities. So Puerto Plata is just one city of the Dominican Republic. Also, one of the good things about this country is always a good time to go to the beach because the weather is always warm. Right now we're almost in winter and the temperature right now is 90, imagine, in winter. So this is one of the best cities to come. Look, it's always green. It's a beautiful country, beautiful island, and I'm waiting for you. Okay, so this is the central part of the city. I'm gonna show you around. So now you're gonna see this, but also I'm gonna show you the Umbrella Street and the Pink Street. I have a secret for you, follow me. If you come to Puerto Plata, you need to see this awesome view that we have here. But I don't share this secret with anybody, so you are the one who will know about this secret. Follow me. So do you see this? This is for ice cream. But the second floor is where you're gonna see the secret. Follow me. This is a beautiful view of the city. Look, you can see the church, but also you can see the mountain from here. Beautiful, awesome. So now we will go to the Umbrella Street. You can visit his store right here. Good prices. right, so let's go to the Pink Street. Máquina, ¿qué es lo que pasa? Todo frío. It's a beautiful place because it's about a woman that she was helping a lot of the tourism in the city. Unfortunately, she died due to cancer, and that's why this color is completely pink. But when you come here, take a lot of pictures, but you have to know about the history behind, okay? There are some people today. Where are you from? It's one of our... Not far from the Pink Street, we have the Umbrella Street. Honestly, this doesn't mean anything. This is just for taking pictures, but it's a beautiful place. You have to see it. Come here. It's the most colorful place in this town. But I love this place because of the color, but if you notice, people from different side of the country, different part of the world come here and take a lot of pictures, but also they listen to the music, they dance, they eat empanadas, they go to buy chocolate, coffee. We have everything in this place. We just finished showing you downtown right now, the Umbrella Street, the Pink Street, and the Central Park, but I think I'm hungry now, so we will go to eat. Let's go. Look at this. Ay, ay, ay. So here you can decide what you want to eat. These peaches right here. You eat your favorite. So I'm gonna select this one. This one. Me voy a llevar ese. El que está ahí en la esquinita. Claro. All right, so right here we have rice, beans. This is goat. This is super famous in the Caribbean. Jamaica, Dominican Republic, Puerto Rico. It's one of my favorites. Two goat. Right here we have the fried fish, rice and the beans. Usually we have to mix it, not just eat it by itself, you know. You have to mix the beans, the rice. I'm ready to eat. I'll let you know how it tastes. After eating, now I'm full, but I have to show you one of the best secrets of the city. Let's go. And this is the last place that we're gonna see in this video. This is the San Philippe Fortress. This place was built in 1677 and it was built to protect us from the pirates. When you come here, you're gonna learn about history, you're gonna learn about our culture, but also you're gonna have one of the best views of the city with the Atlantic Ocean, and behind me, you're gonna see the mountain Isabel de Torres. Dominicans love this place because right here you can see the cruises when they come to the city. The name of this port is Taino Bay. Remember, please remember, if you come to Puerto Plata and you will go to Taino Bay or Amber Cove, E&J will be waiting for you right here. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to follow us and let us know what you think about Puerto Plata. Remember that in this video we just saw some places in the city, but we have the mountain, we have beautiful view, we have buggies, we have a lot of things. And E&J is a trusted company that will help you to have a great experience in this city with your family.